People are talking about Sunset Ford of Sumner. First up is Dan. We really enjoy the relationship we have with both sales and service. They greet you like a valued friend and treat you the same way. Next up is Jessica. Excellent service by John. I'll never buy a car from anyone else and will recommend him and Sunset Ford to everyone I know. And here's Keith. Knowledgeable, friendly, fast, very confident, and very personable service from Sunset Ford in Sumner, Washington. I recommend buying a new truck or car and having it serviced here over all other dealerships because the place is just totally awesome. Finally, here's Bill. James was an excellent, professional, very helpful salesman, and I will recommend Sunset to others. Was a very good experience and my first purchase ever.
You just get more at Sunset Ford.
You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.